Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Nicotinic receptors. Nicotinic receptors are present on the ligand-gated channels. We have NM, NN, and CNS nicotinic receptors. NM. NM is excitatory, especially it causes end plate depolarization. NM is present on the skeletal neuromuscular junction and thus it causes skeletal muscle contraction. Then NN type. NN is excitatory. It causes depolarization and it increases the firing of postganglionic neuron. It is seen on CNS. Actually, it is seen on autonomic ganglia, not CNS. It is seen in NN type is seen in autonomic ganglia and adrenal medulla. It causes depolarization and secretion of catecholamines from the postganglionic nerve endings. Then the next type is CNS nicotinic receptors. The CNS nicotinic receptors is present in CNS pre and post junctional site. The CNS nicotinic receptor causes pre and post synaptic excitation, that is before and after the synapse it causes excitation, and thus it is responsible for pre-junctional control of transmitter release. Then
thank you and thank you for watching.